So the problem statement goes like this. An inventor claims to have developed a refrigeration unit which maintains minus 10 degrees Celsius in the refrigerator, which is kept in a room where the surrounding temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and which has COP of 8.5. How do you evaluate his claim? So let us solve this problem. So let us first draw the schematic. So in the given problem, there is a refrigerator. So refrigerator I can also draw in this fashion. This is the source. T1 is equal to TH for your understanding, and Qn is equal to QH. Because I am shifting from the notations, so this is the refrigerator which is rejecting heat Q2 is equal to QL from the sink at temperature T2 and consuming work input and supplying heat Q1 is equal to QH to the source at temperature T1 is equal to TH. Here obviously T1 is greater than TL. Okay. Now according to the problem, what are the different parameters given to you? Inventor claims to have developed a refrigeration unit which maintains minus 10 degrees Celsius. So what will be this minus 10 degrees Celsius? T1 or T2? So here T1 is nothing but 25 degrees Celsius and in Kelvin it will be, so it will be this will be 298 Kelvin. Okay. This 25, that is surrounding temperature, is 25 degrees Celsius and T2 is nothing but space to be refrigerated, low temperature space. So this is 263 Kelvin. Okay. You have been given actual COP of that refrigerating unit as 8.5. Okay. So what will be the Carnot COP or what will be the maximum COP of this refrigerating unit operating between source temperature and sink temperature at 25 degrees Celsius and minus 10 degrees Celsius? This will be nothing but T2 over T1 minus T2. So T2 is 263 over 298 minus 263. So this comes out 7.51. Now, mind well, whenever you are considering the temperatures in the calculation of efficiency or COP of refrigerator, efficiency of heat engine and COP of heat pump and refrigerator, please consider these two temperatures in always Kelvin. Okay. Now after calculating the maximum COP, now we know that actual COP of refrigerator is less than or equal to maximum COP of refrigerator. But in this case, COP actual is more than COP maximum. Isn't it? So, what we will conclude from this? COP actual is more than the COP maximum. The refrigerator developed by the inventor is the claim of the inventor to make such refrigerator, which will have the COP of 8.5 operating between source and sink temperature, is not valid. So I will conclude inventor's claim is invalid. Okay, because COP of actual cannot be greater than COP of maximum, and it is not possible. So therefore, inventor's claim is invalid. So this way you can solve such problems.